Hello, myself Dr. Pankil Patel. I am a dermatologist and a cosmetologist practicing at Miska Multi Clinic, VIP Road, Kareli Bagh, Vadodara. Today I am doing this FB live session for pre and post COVID hand dryness. So as you all know, at present there is a coronavirus pandemic is spreading globally, and WHO and even ICMR has given guidelines to prevent the spread of, or how you can protect yourself from the coronavirus infection. So most important of them are wearing a mask, maintaining a social distance, and hand hygiene. For hand hygiene, they have suggested to use soap and water. So it has to be used for at least 20 seconds, or either you can use a sanitizer which has more than 60% of the alcohol. So both these things are very effective. We will understand how it will work. So soap and water or the sanitizer both will act on the outer lipid layer of the virus and destroy it, and that is how it will inactivate or destroy the virus, and it will prevent the infection. On the other hand, frequent washing with soap and water or frequent use of hand sanitizer, this will cause damage to the outer lipid layer of the skin as well. So because of this damage, it will result in the dryness. Now dryness can cause cracks and fissures development, or even you can develop irritant dermatitis or even the eczema. The dryness and cracks can increase your chances to get the infection. So I will help you to how can you avoid this dryness, and if you have already developed it, how you can treat it. So each time when you attempt a hand wash or use a sanitizer, after each attempt you can apply a thin layer of moisturizer or a hand cream. So whenever you wash your hand, allow it to air dry or use a clean towel and allow slight moisture. When it is slightly moist, you can apply a thin layer of moisturizer. So it will help to protect the moisture of the skin and prevent the dryness. On the other hand, if you are using sanitizer, you can use the same method. After sanitization, you can apply a thin layer of moisturizer. So this will help to prevent the dryness. But if you have already developed a dryness, then what you can do is at the night time, especially when you are not going to wash it frequently, you can apply a thick layer of moisturizer or hand cream, and you can even use gloves, cotton hand gloves, so the moisture is maintained and it will help to heal the cracks faster. So thick layer you can apply at night time, and you can use a cotton gloves for a few hours or even throughout the night. So this will help you. If you have developed eczema, it is better to go to a dermatologist and take the treatment according to him. Do not buy directly from any pharmacy store, because it can even increase your dryness and you may develop infection as well. So it is better to get treated if eczema or contact dermatitis has developed. For moisturizer, you can use petroleum based or mineral oil, and it should be fragrance free. So this will help you to prevent the dryness. If you have any query, please post your question in the comment box, or later also you can visit the page and share your thoughts or questions. I will happy to be responding them. Thank you very much.